Hey folks, Mike with the Vibrascape LA. So we are revisiting a native garden that we built about, say, 9 months ago or so. And you can see the beautiful, like, California natives are just coming out, and we got some California friendly here. It's just stunning and spectacular. But the homeowner called and said, hey, we would like a pollinator fountain. They saw some of our waterfalls on social media. So we're building, this is practically like a no maintenance waterfall. There's gonna be a drop over here, and then we're gonna put a big stone in the middle, and there's gonna be another couple of drops. We're gonna have all kinds of like stones around it. But this is what it takes. If you wanna come over here, I'll show you the excavation part. So we're building the back of it here. We're using some of the soil here to create the waterfall for the back. And then we're running some of the electrical here. We've got the plumbing going in, and then the artistry of actually rock art, we call it, and building waterfall. We'll do an after video, but I just want to show you the things that are involved with this. This morning we had about 6 tons of stone delivered to the front yard, so we're bringing that to the backyard now. But just want to keep you in the loop. If you're thinking of doing this, well, we may do like in the middle video, show you how to create rock art in your own backyard. Thanks for watching. Mike with the Vibrascape LA signing off. When you think sustainability, permaculture, and waterfalls, think Enviroscape LA.